Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these green Polychrome Jasper earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach the teardrop to the hoop using our wire. So I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to push the wire up on either side of my teardrop and have them crisscross over at the top. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to pick one of those and I'm going to have it go straight up, just like that. And then I'm going to take the other wire and I'm just going to coil this one around about 2 to 3 times. And then I'm going to clip off the excess wire. And then I'm going to tuck in the extra wires if need be, clean everything up. And then I'm going to put my pliers, my round nose pliers, at the top of the coils you've just created. And I'm going to bend that away to create a 90-degree angle. And then once you have that, you're going to put the tips of your pliers right there at that wire and you're going to bend it around, creating a little loop. And while you have that loop open, you're going to attach your hoop. Then I'm going to hold it at the top of the loop that I've created, and I'm just going to coil that around until it meets the wire below, and then cut off the excess wire. So now that I have my teardrop attached to my hoop, I'm going to attach my hoop to the crescent moon. And I'm going to do that using a jump ring. This is a 4mm jump ring, and it's already open, but I'm just going to put a pair of pliers on either side and just gently twist it open a little bit wider. Then I'm going to put my hoop on there, and I'm going to put my crescent moon on there. And then once I have both on there, I'm going to put my pliers on either side. This one's kind of tricky to hold in place while you do it. And then twist those back together. And then I'm also going to use a jump ring to attach the fishbone chain at the top. I'm going to do the same thing, put a pair of pliers on either side and just gently open that a little bit wider. And then put on the crescent and then put on the fishbone chain. And then take my pliers and twist it back together. And then to attach the ear wire, it's going to open on one side and you're just going to gently put your pliers there and twist that open. String on your chain and then twist it back into place. And there you go. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.